the process. I will tell you the best way to make these towel animals is by laying it on a flat surface, whether you want to use the floor, the couch. It's just going to make it a whole lot easier. Then get up and fold it in half so that the lines are facing on the outside. So you want those two lines folded the other way? Yes, there you go. You want those two lines, the two creases folding out. So now it looks like two golden arcs. If you've ever seen Coming to America. Definitely fun. Everybody got their cake piping device? Sure do. Let me see. Ooh. Make sure to take out your camera, take a photo, take a video, because you just made this creation. Check it out. Your first towel animal made a towel elephant. We're in an elephant sanctuary. Look at all the different. We got baby ones, mama ones,
Don't crash it yet.
Laid it out. Laid it out.
Did you make one?
Did
you make one?
Nah.
You made it?
Fold it out. Unfold them. Yep. We're gonna make our second towel animal.
Do what?
Yes.
I had to get a little help.
Was it hard?
Yeah.
So you're taking it, flip it over.
What are we making now?
There you go. Flip it over. There you go.
It looks like a dog to me.
Now, what you want to do, my dear, my lovely in the hat. So fold it.
What you got there? What you
Let's
got
see.
there,
So you're
Mama?
gonna pinch these two, the top and the bottom.
You got something.
Make something.
Becky's got one too.
Amazing.
Yours has eyes.
Of course,
That's
make sure you
cheap.
capture those photos or videos because we are about to do our last towel.
And there's David's manta ray with eyeballs. Like I said, he got the cheek. It's the Grandeur for St. Jude deck party, whatever. For St. Jude. He's trying to raise $13,000. What an afternoon so far.
Just close the door.
And
You never.
we're going to the water slides now. We're not gonna we're not gonna record this time. No.
Bless you.
Jeez. Yeah, we're not gonna record this time. And then trivia at 3:30. That's it. It's hot out there. Man, is it hot. It's like 93 degrees.
Okay. It's almost water slide time. Roy and my sister and her husband, Rebecca and Tom, they are about to go down the water slide. And I'm going to try to catch them so they have memories forever.
Well, a trivia we will go. Let's go do this. Video games and sports. Let's see if we can win. I think we just took a nap. Well, Amanda did. I didn't take a nap.
As simple as that. I'll
We have all
repeat the
these
question a
smart
couple
folks with
times so
us.
that you get me because my accent is a little bit different from y'all. I want not to pronounce some of the words, but you will help me out, alright? Alright? Okay.
They're going to help us win.
Number one.
Okay, well, we tried trivia like you saw. Video games and sports. I think I'm more disappointed in myself for not knowing more about the video games. Getting 12 out of 20. I think some of it, though, was I couldn't understand them. You know how the trivia is. They put the people who can't speak the best English on these trivias. The sports, the 3 questions we missed were the national sport of Canada. Obviously, I put hockey. It wasn't hockey, it was lacrosse. The length of a bowling lane. And then I forgot the other one. So, the diameter of a basketball hoop. So I got that one right. I missed 3 altogether. I got 17 out of 20. Or we did, should I say. But they're not giving away ships on the stick anyway. They're only giving away medals, and we have a medal, so not that big of a deal. Now, we're going to the platinum party. We're going to see if it is the old-fashioned platinum party or the new style. We'll let you know. See how it goes.
Fascination, imagination, inspiration, destiny, elation, triumph, victory, spirit, pride, legend, conquest, glory, miracle, valor, liberty, freedom, splendor, dream, magic, breeze, sunshine, vista, horizon, sunrise, panorama, Mardi Gras, radiance, and our newest ships, the Luminosa and Celebration.
Well, what's up? We have been trying the deli stuff a lot this week, and we've had a steak and cheese, we've had buffalo chicken, and now tonight I'm trying the meatball sub. I mean, it looks pretty good. Let's see how it tastes. If I could eat it, it was pretty hot. Yeah, that's really good. So if you're on a ship with the deli, definitely take advantage of it. It's really good. Well, the cruise is coming to an end. We're limping back into Tampa. We're going super slow, so we just got through eating dinner. Now we're watching the sunset, the last sunset at sea for a little bit. Look how pretty it is. The water's glass. Makes you really appreciate everything in life. Just take a minute to enjoy.
Haven't went to Canada?
Isn't that just amazing? That is just amazing. Now all you see is just a red ball of sky. Never gets old, man. Never gets old. Let's walk the ship, shall we? We're gonna start on deck 8. Just kind of take a tour around the atrium and the shops and all that stuff. This is the portside shop. All your liquor and tobacco. We're gonna keep it right on moving. Right here on the left, this was the library. This particular night, they had a chef's table in there. Private event. Some out there kind of food. Keep on walking around. That's the Elation restaurant, which is MDR. This room right here is a pretty cool room. This was the piano bar. We did not make it in there this cruise, but we've been on there in others. The piano bar is a good time for all, plenty of seating. Continuing on, we're going to come up to Circle C, which is a hangout for, I believe, the small kids. What did I say? Ages 12 to 14. So preteens, pretty much. I'm having to voice this over because of all the loud music. Copyright music everywhere. So we're going to keep on going. And I believe we're going up to deck 9 now. That was the theater right there. We couldn't get in. They had it closed. Now here's deck 9. This is the photo gallery. This is where they put all your pictures and everything. You can get them digital for extra cost, I believe. There's an arcade to your left right there. These stairs lead to the theater, the balcony seats. Now let's go into the arcade. The arcade is not free. It is additional charged. So, yeah, if you just want to escape and play some video games, Deck 9 is a good spot to go to. This area is just a walkway on Deck 9. It goes, I think it went into where the buffet area was. Oh no, this is Guy's Burger. And out to the pool deck. They were having the 80s party here. There's a stage on the fantasy class ships, and Todd, it was cranking out there. We picked a great time to walk around the ship, let me tell you, because as you can see, people everywhere, music from the 80s everywhere. Yeah, not a good time to explore. So if you keep walking down this way, to that left right there, there is some stairs that goes down to deck 8. There is another pool right here. And further up towards to the top right there, that is the Red Frog Pub. Carnival's very known for the Red Frog Pub. It's all of your rum drinks. Across the pool is the tequila bar, the Blue Iguana tequila bar. That one's not as popular as the Red Frog. And there's the Whale Tail in all its glory. No clue what I'm saying here. Let's just keep on going, shall we? Here's the spa. It was closed when we got to do this, but if you go in there, the salon's in there, the gym is in there, all that stuff. It said they were open till 10. We did this around 9 o'clock, but they had already closed it. I don't know what for. This is just more walking. This was Camp Ocean. This is the little kids. Now we're going to take this party outside. You got to watch your step there. I put that in there just to kind of watch your step. That goes outside to the top deck on 14, which we went there right here. Mini golf is out here. The Whale Tail is right there. And walking upon the end here, you can see down the pool deck and all that good stuff. You can still hear them partying. It was loud and crazy and everything. Back there by the Whale Tail, the water slides are back there. All of our water slide footage got deleted by yours truly. They have some racer slides back there and everything. So yeah, we're just going to end this tour right here. Enjoy the Whale Tail. The Paradise was a great ship. Well, hello again. Out here by the pool. Since I deleted all the videos, we did not close the videos out, so here we go. The Carnival Paradise was a great cruise. We had a good time with our family for Mother's Day. It started out rough with David forgetting his birth certificate, but with a miracle, he was able to get it. If that ever happens to you, if you do use your birth certificate and driver's license, take a picture of it on your phone to use that as an emergency. It did work. That's how we got him on the ship. Yeah, he was 20 minutes. 20 minutes from sitting in Tampa. Anyways, Bimini was a lot of fun. We rented the golf carts. The 8-seater, as you could tell, didn't go so well, but we found 2 4-seaters from Sluggo's. They were $90 each. Great golf carts. We had a great time. Nassau, we went with At Your Pace Tours. I'm going to put her link and Facebook information in the description. I had a nice outro film with her and all that good stuff, but I couldn't recover the files, so the link will be in the description. And then, yeah, lots of activities the last sea day, and all we managed to keep was the towel folding and some stuff. So I apologize, it's not the normal, but all in all, we had a good time. Our family had a good time. first cruise for all of them, and it might be their only cruise they ever go on. Who knows? We shall see. They're always welcome to come with us, but you never know. But thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about the Paradise, let us know in the comments. We just learned a lesson. Don't be sad it's over. Enjoy the memories you made and look forward to the next one. So, yeah. Until the next video, which will be the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. Peace.